This tutorial will demonstrate how to create and use logic fields in iAuditor. Logic fields give you the flexibility to prompt the person conducting the inspection with a follow-up question depending on the answer to the original question. First, we'll look at an inspection using logic fields, and then we will show you how to recreate it in the template builder. For example, in this hotel room inspection, if I tap yes, there has been an issue identified, two follow-up fields will appear. But if the answer is no, there will be no more questions. Let's take a closer look at what happens when I select yes. In the follow-up question, I then need to say where the issue is. If I tap minibar, yet another follow-up question will appear, asking what is the issue. You can see this field will also appear if I select bathroom or living room. Say the issue is in the minibar. I'll now add a text description. No matter where the issue is, I also have a field asking me to identify the severity of the issue. If the severity is high, some text will appear asking me to stop the inspection and talk to my manager directly. If the severity is medium or low, I'm free to mark as complete. Now that you know what logic fields can be used for, let's take a look at how to recreate this hotel room inspection. Building a template can be done on a mobile device. However, in this example, we'll be using a desktop computer. Log into app.safetyculture.io. Head to the left side to find templates. Choose New Template on the right. Add a section by clicking here and call it Room Inspection. To add our first question to this section, click here. Type in your first question. Over here on the right, we can see the default response to this question, which is yes, no, NA. I'm going to leave that as is. Next, we will add logic to this by clicking here. We want a yes answer to trigger the question, where is the issue? We can see our first question here, and if answered as no, it will trigger the next. We want to change that to a yes here. Let's type the follow-up question as where is the issue? Now I'm going to add a custom response type here in the drop-down arrow. I want to add three options. Response 1 will be minibar. To add the next response, click Add Response or simply hit Tab. Type bathroom. Hit Tab again. Type living room, then click Save and Apply. Now you can see the custom responses we've just created for this question here. Add logic to this field. Change the option of if the answer is and change it to is one of. Select minibar and check the other boxes. Select Done. Add the follow-up question, what is the issue? And change it to a text answer. I want to add a second question about the issue if yes is selected. Click the plus icon to add another question. Click the dots to drag it across so that it is aligned or nested under the appropriate question. You can see by the yellow lines that it is nested under this question and this question. So if the answer to were any issues identified is yes, our two follow-up questions will appear at the same time. Type what is the severity of the issue and then choose Create Custom Response. To add my responses, I'll type here and then press Tab to move to the next line. Then I'll change the colors and click Save and Apply. Now click the yellow logic icon to turn it into a logic field. Let's add an instruction here if the response selected is high. To do this, I will change the response type to an instruction and add the text. In the preview window here, you can see if high is selected, the instruction we just added will appear. If medium or low are selected, it doesn't appear. Logic can streamline and guide you through your inspections by adding or skipping over fields that are only relevant to your current inspection. For more information or to chat with our team, click here.